guys, my name is Katharine Jackson. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be trying some makeup tutorials. So I'm only going to do like a few colors, but I'm mostly going to be doing like pink because it matches my outfit that I'm wearing, a pink shirt and some pink pants. So I'm going to be trying some. I have my makeup bag and I'm going to show you what's in it, and then I'm going to start to put some makeup on. So let me open it real quick and I'll show you what's in. Okay, so what's in my makeup bag? I have some perfume from Victoria's Secret. I have a little bunny rabbit mirror. I have a small makeup palette, just a few colors. And then I have a big one with a lot of colors. I have 2 makeup brushes. I had one more, but I don't have it right now. I have some lipsticks. I have the darkest one. I have the regular pink and a light pink. And then I have a nail kit with nail polish and nail files. It has the thing that go on your toes and hands, a sponge thing, that have the nail clippers, the brush, and all that stuff. And that's it. So I will do my nails on the next video, another video. Right now I'm going to be using these 2 makeup palettes and these brushes, since they're the only ones I have. So I'm going to put all this other stuff back and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm done. So I'm going to use these 2 makeup palettes. First, I'm going to use pink. I'm going to try to match my shirt. I have a lot of pinks, so I'm going to try to. I'll be right back. So, yeah. And guys, if you're watching this, make sure you like the video, subscribe, hit the bell, and invite your friends to watch the video and subscribe. Thank you. Bye. Okay, guys, so this is one look. I really like this look. I used some eyeshadow and then I got some blush. You can't really see it. And then I got some of this lipstick. I don't use too much because, you know, I'm a kid. So it doesn't really show. Like, it doesn't really match. But, I mean, it's still pink. So I'm going to do, like, a blue kind of. So I'm going to do that. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm done. Don't mind my lips. I kind of messed them up. So next color I'm going to do is purple now. Okay, here's purple. Whoops. And that's it of some of my makeups. I hope you like the makeups, the pink, blue, and purple. I did them because they're my 3 favorite colors. First, pink. It was supposed to be purple, but I guess it was blue for second, and now it's purple. And if you like the makeups, make sure you like, subscribe, and click the bell. And make sure to share the video with your family and friends. Bye. I hope I'll see you next time.